So after months of waiting, Xiaomi has finally launched the Redmi Note 9 in India at a price of 12,000, which is acceptable. The Redmi Note 9 has a 6.53-inch Full HD Plus display. It is covered with the Corning Gorilla Glass 5 for protection. It also supports Xiaomi's P2i nano-coating, which makes it splash resistant. It has a 13-megapixel punch-hole selfie camera at the top left of the screen. At the back, it comes with a quad camera setup. It has a 48-megapixel primary camera, 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera, 2-megapixel depth sensor, and also a 2-megapixel macro camera. The back of the Redmi Note 9 is made up of plastic, but it doesn't feel that cheap. It has a gradient design, it weighs 199 grams, and it is 8.9 mm thick. It also has a rear fingerprint sensor at the back, which is placed below the quad camera setup. The Redmi Note 9 is the first ever device to come with the MediaTek Helio G85 processor. This chipset is really powerful for those in the budget segment. Now let's talk about the battery. It comes with a massive 5020 mAh battery. It also comes with 22.5 watt fast charger that is available in the box. It supports 9 watt reverse charging, which is the fastest on any Redmi device. It runs on MIUI 11 based on Android 10. It will also get the update for the MIUI 12. It has a 3.5 mm audio jack. It supports 2 SIMs and also expandable storage up to 512 GB. It also has everyone's favorite IR blaster, which is placed at the top. It is available in 3 colors, that is Aura Green, Pebble Grey and Polar White. It will be available in 4GB and 6GB RAM variants with 64GB to 128GB of storage as well. Well, this does confuse many people that are considering Xiaomi device, but it does compete with the Realme 6i, which will be launched very soon. So that is it for today. If you stuck around till the end, I really hope that you can subscribe as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow.